Mechanical Energy Part 1. In this tutorial, let's talk about kinetic energy. It is the energy which a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. The kinetic energy of a moving object is calculated using this formula, half mv squared, where m is the mass of the object and v is the speed of the object. Now, moving on, after knowing the equation, mass, it is the quantity of matter which a body contains. And so, let's talk about this small circular body that contains a mass of 1 kilogram. Now, within this body, no matter how many particles there were inside, the whole mass is equivalent to 1 kilogram. So the sum of mass of all particles is 1 kilogram, all compressed in one body. And the SI units are ton, kilogram, gram, and milligram. The kinetic energy depends on the mass of the object. And so, as the mass of the object increases, the kinetic energy increases. So they're directly proportional. So, the kinetic energy depends on the speed. Also, another thing that you should know is that as speed of the object increases, its kinetic energy increases.